Hey, in this video I'm going to show you how to add blog on your Squarespace and how to write a perfect blog for your Squarespace blogging. So you just need to go your page, your website admin panel, and then you'll see the blog option in here on the demo page. If you don't have this one, you can click on plus and then make a blog. Make sure this icon is for blog. Okay, so we have already blocked some, uh, but there is only 4 posts that we see in the blog archive page. So when you go to blog page, and then you will see this post are in listed in here. So when you click on the single blog, then it will take us to a single page where the blog is fully written. So how we can do this? Let's see. This is the blog page, and you can go to the blog page and add a new blog. Just click on plus icon. Yeah, enter a title. Yes, this is the date. You can change the date or make it schedule for the published. Here's the option status draft published, or you can make it schedule that will published 25 or next. Also we're going to make it published, not the schedule, and we can write the block in here. I'm going to now I need some text. Okay, so this is the text that I used as a dummy content, and then I can add the image on the block if I need. Just click on the plus icon and then add image. Add the image from media library. You can select from media library. So this one I'm going to select, and I can write more content. Text, where does it come from? How do we use it? Okay, and then now I'm going to add a video, simple video. Just click on the video and add video. Select from media library, but there is no video in our media library, so we can enter from YouTube. Okay, video found and ready for use. Now we can add. So we can add a custom featured image that can be changed. Select on any one of the image that will looks perfect. So I'm going to select this one. And select is fine. Okay, this one is fine right now. We will change it later. So and then make save. The exit, and we will see the new block in here. So there is no thumbnail image like this, so we need to add the thumbnail image. Just click on the edit block again, and then go to click setting, check the featured image in here, we can upload the featured image from our desktop. So I'm going to add this one as a featured image. Okay, and we can add excerpt text in here that will show as a small first introduction. And we can also set the URL, block URL, that is important for SEO. So tip blog title URL. Okay, so this is the featured image we will see on the when you go to the blog page, and then the featured image in here, and this is another blog featured image, this is the another blog featured image, and these are for another blog. Okay, so let's I hope we understood that how to add the new blog on Squarespace.